Once you've enabled your site for SSL, what you can do is you can use a plugin with your WordPress website in order to use the Skype checkout gateway. And so you can start the process by using a plugin called Stripe Simple Pay. And you'll notice that there are a number of plugins available for you to use Stripe with your WordPress website. You can actually choose the one that you feel is best for what you are trying to do. Now, for purposes of this video, we're going to install Stripe Simple Pay. Once we do that, we're then going to activate. You will then see Simple Pay Lite on your dashboard. You can click that link. What we're going to need to do first is to enter our Stripe API keys. So we're going to click this link that says enter them here. Once we get to this page, we're then going to click Retrieve your Stripe API test and live keys. Once you've entered the appropriate keys from your dashboard, you're then going to click Save Changes. Once you've done that, you're then going to you're then going to add a new payment form, and then you're going to add in your details, and then you're going to click Create. You'll then want to use your shortcode, copy it, and then head back to your WordPress installation. You'll then add in your pay button to your WordPress shortcode. Once you do that, you can then preview your page, and then you'll see your test pay button. When you're ready then to make your payment live, you'll then disable your test mode, and your pay button will be live on your WordPress website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.